Web development channels using AI tools are transforming how websites and web applications are created, managed, and optimized. Instead of relying solely on manual coding and repetitive processes, developers now use AI to improve speed, efficiency, and overall quality. AI does not replace human expertise but enhances it by automating routine tasks and supporting smarter decision-making throughout the development lifecycle. One key area where AI plays a major role is coding. AI-powered coding assistants can suggest code, detect errors in real time, and generate entire functions based on simple prompts. This helps developers reduce mistakes and accelerate project timelines. Both beginners and experienced programmers benefit from these tools, as they simplify complex tasks and allow more focus on creative and strategic work. Design and user experience, UX, are also significantly improved through AI. Modern AI design tools can create layouts, recommend color schemes, and ensure responsive designs that work across different devices. By analyzing user behavior data, AI can suggest improvements that increase engagement, such as better navigation structures or optimized placement of call-to-action buttons. This data-driven approach leads to more user-friendly websites. Content creation is another important AI-driven channel. AI tools assist in generating SEO-optimized blog posts, product descriptions, and meta tags, helping websites rank better on search engines. They also improve readability and keyword placement, making content more effective while saving time for marketers and developers. AI enhances testing and maintenance as well. Automated testing tools detect bugs, broken links, and performance issues before a website goes live. AI-powered monitoring systems can predict traffic spikes, scale server resources, and strengthen security by identifying unusual activity. Overall, AI tools support every stage of web development, from coding and design to testing, deployment, and customer interaction, making the entire process faster, smarter, and more efficient.